Hi, I'm Steve Sample with Bama Talk. Don't miss a single episode of Bama Talk Show, available now on iTunes, Stitcher, or your favorite podcast app, and on the web at bigbrainsmedia.com.
This is the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Monday, March the 25th. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather feeling more like the dead of winter here in late March. Wow, let's take a look. These are some of the Skycam shots around the network early this morning. That's the Tuscaloosa Skycam. They're sitting in the mid-30s. There's the Fayette Skycam. They are near freezing. They're sitting at 33 at the time that image was taken. And even down south, it's pretty cold on the Gulf Coast. If you got a beach trip, no rain. That's the good news. Sunny days and fair nights this week, but highs only around 60 and early morning lows in the 40s. Wow. Well, there's the deal. Very cold, anomalous pattern for spring. Deep upper trough over the east and upper low on the Ohio River. That is west of Louisville. And the numbers early this morning, 31 below freezing in Haleyville. Most spots are in the mid-30s, and it should be colder tomorrow morning and Wednesday morning. A good chance we'll see a freeze both mornings. And around the nation, boy, those numbers just speak for themselves. About the only warm place is down in Miami, and even there they'll see cooler air later today with a cold front passing through. And on top of the cold air, we've got snow falling. Still winter storm warnings up. Those will be winding down later this morning, but places like Indianapolis, Columbus, Ohio, the mountains of West Virginia, even around Washington, D.C. and Baltimore, winter weather advisories. They've got snow falling up there this morning. And down this way, a wind advisory for basically all of Alabama as an icy north wind of 15 to 30 miles an hour is going to make it feel colder today. And that wind keeps up tonight and tomorrow as well. And in terms of accumulating snow, the better chance, of course, northeast of the state. But I'm telling you, I think there's a pretty good chance we're going to see some snow flurries over North Alabama, maybe tonight or early tomorrow, especially north of U.S. 278 or up over the Tennessee Valley. And there might be a dusting up on Lookout Mountain or Sand Mountain up on high terrain, but nothing more than a novelty, but certainly that's a sign of how cold it is. But we will warm up. This is the temperature plot coming off BuffKit. That's a model analysis tool. And you can see potential for a freeze tomorrow morning and Wednesday morning. And look, Thursday morning is going to be cold as well. I think the colder pockets will see another freeze Thursday. But beyond that, you can see the trend is up. And by the time the weekend gets here, a good chance we'll see highs back in the 60s Friday, Saturday, and Sunday over the Easter weekend. And this is the rain for the next 5 days. How about nothing? Haven't seen a map like that in a while. This is valid through Saturday morning at 7 o'clock local time. All the rain stays north of the state. Let's look at modeling. This is the OZGFS at 1 o'clock local time this afternoon. Upper low is over West Virginia. And down below that, you can see there's definitely some energy involved, so it's not going to be a sunny day today. In fact, over the Tennessee Valley, I fully expect it to be cloudy. Windy, cold, chance of snow flurries, maybe down into places like Scottsboro and Mentone, Valley Head, Fort Payne, maybe later today. Temperatures won't get out of the 40s where we are, and I'm telling you, up there in far northeast Alabama, they might have a hard time getting out of the 30s with the cloud cover. And those clouds will probably thicken tonight. And again, definitely a chance of flurries tonight, maybe as far south as Cullman or Aniana or Gadsden, places like that. Tomorrow, still windy and cold. And still, I don't think we get out of the 40s. The high, anywhere from 46 to 49. And again, flurries north of us over Tennessee and Kentucky. And you can see that icy north wind all the way down to the Gulf Coast. Wednesday, again, the morning will be cold. The wind not as bad. Pretty decent chance we'll see upper 20s early Wednesday morning. But then we start to warm up during the day as we go back in the 50s. And then Thursday, we will be more than likely in the low 60s as we finally move in the right direction. Keep in mind the average high is 70. We're not there, but we're moving in that direction. And Thursday morning is going to be cold. I mean, we'll be close to a freeze then, and the colder pocket should see one. This is Friday, Good Friday, and we're dry. We note rain breaks out west of the state over Arkansas and northeastern Texas. Pretty good chance we'll see mid-60s. And then Saturday, as we kick off the weekend, we have a northwest flow aloft, and down below that, some evidence that moisture increases, but that is not a wet look. we might mention a small chance of a shower, but I think most of the day will be dry, and a pretty good chance we'll see highs in the mid to upper 60s. And then Sunday, evidence of rain moving into the northern part of the state for Easter. South Alabama would be dry. Temperatures pretty mild, but still cool. Lows in the 40s, highs in the 60s. So some chance of showers Easter Sunday from about Interstate 20 north, if this is right. And then a week from today, a cold front pushing in from the north, but no evidence of that big severe weather look. You know, for days and days, the GFS tried to show this really nasty-looking storm that would bring severe weather, but it's off the board now. Just a cold front with a chance of showers Monday of next week. And really, the next big rain event showing up on the model is around April the 9th. But again, that's out there in the land of voodoo. We'll just have to wait and see if that verifies. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. Next video by 4 o'clock today. If you can, watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 on the live stream of the television side at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Does your weatherman have a face for radio? ABC 3340's James Spann may be hair-challenged, but he sure is entertaining, especially when he teams up with everyone's favorite radio duo, Rick and Bubba. From the radio airwaves to the small screen, it's the Rick and Bubba TV show 5 days a week. Watch Rick and Bubba along with ABC 3340 Chief Meteorologist James Spann, Monday through Friday from 6 to 10 a.m. on the Nashville Network, provided by ABC 3340.